Alright everyone, good morning. Today is Friday, August 9th, 2024 at 09:08. And today, we have our day one outlook to look at again. I currently am filling in for Jonathan Schlack, EAS and weather, as he is currently on vacation, and yeah, hopefully he's having a good time. So in the meantime, I will be doing the outlooks in this crazy weather. Anyway, today we've got a slight risk here and a little bit of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, up into New York State. We have this marginal extending from North Carolina through Virginia, through Maryland, Pennsylvania, up into New York State, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and a little bit of Maine, if you can see that. We also have a marginal out here in Texas, also out here in both Texas and New Mexico. So let's see what cities we've got involved here. We got New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Newark, and Jersey City under a slight. In Austin, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Norfolk, and Chesapeake under a marginal. Excuse me. Let's check in and see what we've got for our tornado risk. Our tornado risk today looks to be a little bit in Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York State with a 5%, and a 2% is extending from Virginia through D.C., up into New York State, and then over into Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, and New Hampshire. So, good thing is we don't have any tornado risk out here, so that's good. So the tornado risks that will be cities that are placed under is New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Newark, and Jersey City under a 5%, and Washington, D.C., Arlington, Springfield, Syracuse, and Bridgeport under a 2%. Definitely, I would say an EF1, maybe even an EF2 could be possible if it becomes strong enough, since we have the remnants of Debbie going through. Today's damaging wind risk. Again, we got a little bit of Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, up into New York State, under 15%. And then the 5% goes from North Carolina through Virginia through D.C., Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York State, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and a little bit of Maine. We also have this 5% out here in Texas, and also out here in Texas and New Mexico. So let's see what cities we've got. We've got New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Newark, and Jersey City under a 15%, and Austin, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Norfolk, and Chesapeake having a 5%. So 15% you could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts could be possible. In a 5% you could see 60 to 70 miles per hour possible there. No hail risk today, so that's good. So it says a tornado threat is expected today from the mid-Atlantic states northward into eastern New York. A few strong wind gusts will also be possible across parts of the Northeast and in parts of the Southern Plains. So there you go. There's today's day one outlook. I do hope you've enjoyed. So no hail risk. That's nice. Here's today's wind risk. Today's tornado risk. And today's basically our day one outlook. So anyway, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this and hope you stay